In this video, we're creating a 3D logo for Aryan Gamer. Interesting to do a gamer logo. Let's jump in and do this. African Multi-Design, a channel dedicated in giving you content creation ideas for your social media, and we use Canva and all sorts of tools to make you look awesome and cool out there. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, I'm excited that you've joined us today to create a logo for Aryan Gamer, who's requested us to do one for him. I love these sessions where we get to be creative and we come up with all sorts of cool ideas. The first logo that we're going to be creating for him, it looks like this one. And then the second one looks like this one, and then the last one looks like this. So these two are very similar, but we'll just jump in and design the first one for him. So you're gonna look for a blank Canva and you're gonna create a logo, and you open a blank logo Canva. Your first step would be to go to elements and then search for a circle, and then you would like to find a circle that's gradient. So you're gonna go to circle, you're gonna go to your graphics, and then you're gonna scroll down. It's down here, and you're gonna find the color one that you like. I chose the purple and blue for Aryan, so I hope he likes it. But yeah, you're gonna size it that it fits the logo in a nice shape like that, and then you're going to go back to your elements and you're going to look for A. So when we search for A, it's gonna give us all sorts of A types and sizes and shapes and elements, and we're gonna choose the one that we like. I've saved this A that I want to use. It's this one, and the name of this one is a modern 3D bold A. So you're just gonna add your A, and you're gonna size it inside the circle so that it looks like that. And then same name, when you are on elements, you're gonna just search for G and you add enter, and then you're gonna find your G, but it's the same group that we've looked for already. So there's the G. It's also the same designer that designed these. So when you looked at Aryan's channel, it has that little copy A on top. I don't know what you call it in English. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to text and be very clever. We're gonna look for something like this, like a glow template on the text, and we're going to select that and add it on there, and then change the text to, on our keyboard, hold and add that little copy key on top, and then change color to either blue. We can go with blue, or you can go with pink. I liked the blue, so I'm just gonna go with blue and be clever like that, and then make it a little bit small, and then move it to be on top of the A like that. I don't know, hey, I can't see that blue, so let's make it a little bit darker shade of that. Looks much better. Hope you guys can see it. I think I can see it now. Can even make it even a darker purple so that it's visible on the logo. But it's nice, glowy. When I thought of a gamer, I thought neon colors, glowy kind of a gamer. For me, that's the kind of a logo a gamer would be, because my boys play games. So in a way, I'm sort of exposed to games. Anyway, we're gonna go back to our elements, and now we're gonna look for a gamer piece, that nice piece that the boys use to play the joystick. So I like this one because it goes hand in hand with our logo, and you just click on there and you add it. Control Z to undo that, and just click and drag it to the bottom of the page so that it fits the design, and you add it right there in the middle of the logo. And 3D rather 2D logo done and dusted. All you do now, let's rename this and call it an Ariane Gamer logo 1, and then we download it. Remember to download without the background, make it a transparent background, and you click on download. So it's going to download, sit on our downloads. While it's doing that, we're gonna jump back in on Photopea, and then we're going to change it to a 3D logo. So on Photopea, you would go open computer and go to your desktop and find the first mockup that we would like to use. We're going to use our normal one that we usually use, and then we're going to double click, hide the text, and then place the 2D logo that we've just downloaded, and then we size it like that, put it in the middle, and then we change it to smart object. Now it's converted, and now we're going to click on the 3D class window logo, and we're going to have our awesome looking gamer. Oh my goodness, I love this logo, Ariane. I think this one looks absolutely amazing. However, that's my opinion. I'm biased. You would then download it with export as PNG, and then you download. Let's jump in and do our second logo. With the second logo, I thought we could get some sort of an inspiration from the logo designs that are available on Canva rather. So there's nothing wrong with getting an inspiration and then tweaking it and making it your own. So while I was scrolling through, I kind of liked this particular one that had a round text, which we now know how to do round text. A round text and then with a picture inside. So I thought we're gonna be inspired by this one because this is available even on the free version of Canva. You can be inspired and tweak it and make it your own. So this particular one that we've chosen, we're just gonna change the text, but you guys must remember how to move the text. You just go to effects, and at the bottom of the page you just move it over there. But we are going to use Ariane's name, and I'm just gonna go copy it from his channel and then come paste it here. And there we go. We've copied to the Ariane's name, we've copied to the gamer as well as the name of his channel. If we want to change the color to something else, we can make it gray, maybe light gray, and the font size is 22. I would like to make the font size of the gamer the same as the font size of his name, Ariane, so that it's the same size. So we're going to replace the middle of his logo with a game joystick. So that color we've made gray, so let's make this one gray as well, or the other way around. The darker gray actually looks nicer. So let's make that, that looks nice, I think. Now we're going to add the middle of the page, or rather the middle of the logo, and add a joystick. So I'm just gonna go to my elements and I'm going to search for a gamer joystick, or just go gamer, and then there's the graphic I would like to use, the white one. You just double click and then you change color and you size it so that it fits nicely in the design. So let's make it same color as that, and that's your 2D. That's your first 2D that I would like us to play with using the one of the 3D mockups I've found. So we're going to download this one. Let's just call it logo 2, and we're going to download this as a transparent, and we download. And number 2 is done. And then we're going to go and do number 3, because the third one I want to use a different logo for the I want to use a different 3D mockup for that. So we're going to delete that joystick and we're going to use this joystick with a hand protrude. Oh wow, me and my English. With the hand coming out nicely like that in a sort of aggressive kind of a way, and we move our text around and it looks like this. We're going to try a different mock-up for this third one. So we're going to download this one as well, and then all of our 2D logos are done. Now we're going to go and jump in on Photopea, and we're going to go to open my computer and load the first 3D mockup that I found. I found this website, and the link I'm going to save for you on the description below, so you just go find it there. I've tested the mockups there. It's called a 365webresource.com free realistic logo mockups, and it's got all sorts of nice 3D logo mockups, other mockups for letters, other mockups for wood. Really cool. I've tested like 4 or 5 of their logos. Most of the time they didn't ask for my email address. I could just go ahead and download. They do sometimes ask that you donate to the designer, but they don't force you. They still allow you to download the logos, and they look quite cool. So go in on the link, download, have fun with them. Let me know how it goes and how you are experiencing this one of the resources. The other resource I've already shared, that's freepik.com, and you just download a 3D logo there. Now we're going to go to our desktop. We're going to find this 3D mockup. Let's load the mockup, and we double click on the logo, we hide text, and then we're going to place the logo. Going to our downloads, we find this one that doesn't have the hand popping out, and we make it nice and big so that it fits the logo mockup like that. We save as a smart object, and then we click on the 3D, and there's your second logo, Ariana. Hope you like it. I actually do. You again go file, export as a PNG, and then you're done. To do the last one, we're going to go open from computer, and we're going to go and find the last 3D mockup that I've saved for us, and it's got all sorts of things which you can just hide. And then you double click on the logo, you hide the text, and then you go file and you place your logo. That would be the one with the hand coming out, and then we would size this one, make it fit nice and big like that, and then we would change it and save it as a smart object, and then we would click on the mockup itself for it to change it to a 3D. Question of the day: let me know how your designs are going with 3D mockups. Let me know what else you would like to see when it comes to 3D mockups in the comments below. This is the last one, Ariane, and it looks like this. I hope you guys have enjoyed the session. I absolutely love these sessions. Next week we're going to do a flyer together on Canva, the one that has round in it, and we do something different. But please subscribe, please like, and yes, please share our content. I'll see you next week.